here. I'm here to pick up some bullet journal supplies as well as other supplies. Okay, so I wanted I don't know what these ones are. They're the Pigma Micron, and there's only 105. So I might get this. I think I might get a Tombow, one of these ones. Maybe like a blossomy pink. I don't know. Ooh, this mint one looks so pretty. Oh my god. Pretty. What else? I don't know. These ones are Artist Loft. I feel like the Artist Lofts are much more cheaper than the Tombow. I wanted like a blossomy pink. This one in Tombow. I don't know. There's also packs of them, but I don't know which one to get. But I don't know. I really want this. I'll be back to this. Oh, guys, I found this Stabilo things, and I'm gonna get these. I got the black one. They're only $1.99. I have to get these. A pretty notebook, so I don't know. I might get one of these or the 2-pack ones. Cause like these ones are really pretty. I might also get stuff for our giveaway, so yeah, be tuned for that. Oh yeah, and I got this, the Be Happy one. I don't know, this one looks really cute, so I got this one. Okay guys, so I got these stickers. I don't know, I thought they were really cute and stuff, so yeah. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. This would be a nice room decor for $15, no way. But yeah, I don't know, I'm trying to find washi tape, so I'll be back when I do. Okay, so I found them, but they're all like $8.49, and I feel like you could get like, I don't know, last time when I went here there was like 2 for $1. I'm trying to find that. Guys, so we are here back again. So I got this nice minty color Tombow one. So pretty, I love this. Might go with my April one, so stay tuned for that. And I don't know, I couldn't find that many like black Pigma sack. Okay guys, so I think I might also get another Sharpie pen because I feel like these are also like almost like these ones, but like I really want the Tombow Blossom one, but like I'm getting this one. You know what, I'll get another one of this because that's gonna go with the giveaway, guys. Where is it? Yes, okay, but let's try these out because last time I got Tombow and I got the tester one and I wasted like $4 on like tester ones. So I'm gonna test these and be back. Okay guys, we're here at the slime section. I have to get one of these slimes for our giveaway. It's gonna be really nice. So I want a nice blue color. This one's kind of I don't know about that. Ooh, these squishies are nice as well. I like squishies. So these ones are also good. I'll get the soccer one for you guys. Let's get these. Guys, so I got these for the giveaway. I thought they were so cute. It's like this mini clipboard. And then we have these cute summer like vibes sticky notes. Are so cute. So that's gonna go into the giveaway. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go to the checkout.